Hey guys, what up? What up, Lego Crafters? I know I haven't done a review in a while, but I just got this set recently, just because I had the money and I was bored, so I decided to get it. I'm good, probably can't see it, but this is over set Lego City garbage truck, 5 to 12, 4. Sorry, just blanked out right there. Set number 4432. Pieces 208 pieces. Alright, by the way, I don't know what I did with the extra pieces, so I won't be able to show you those. But yeah, this is basically what is on it. Just don't worry about that. This is the back. Hey, and garbage truck. When they discover it, like, hey! And dump everything in there. Dump recyclables. Why are they dumping their recyclables? I don't know. But yeah, then they right off. I'll just toss that over there. Alright. The book. Here's the booklet. It has, sorry about the stuff on the hand. Cat likes to scratch the crap out of me. Not mine, but my girlfriend's. Get to the page. Oh, there's that. That's pretty cool too. I like it. It has 65 pages of building. Now, let's get on to the set. By the way, my backboard fell down, so I'll fix that later. Alright, here are the minifigs. We got one girl minifig. Hold on. Alright, we got one girl minifig. That's really different except for the face. Well, let me get that. It's really different. See, my thing's gonna fall. We got a guy with the whole sideburns and the goatee and everything. Yep. Alright. Then we got our recyclable trash can with a banana, 2 fish in it. I connected the banana to the thing to the lid could, yeah. Got a garbage can full of sand and dirt looking studs. I like the clips now, they're new. They're cool little clips. They clip a lot easier. But on the set itself, okay, the set itself is a really nice set. First of all, we're going to start off with the cockpit. Cockpit, driver's seat, sorry. But, the driver's seat is really nice. You get steering wheel. I'll take that off. Steering wheel. And the seat is lower than the steering wheel, by the way. So, yeah. There's the steam thingamabobber, I forget what it's called. I like what they did here, where it's like blocky, but yet they have this. Like, look at that. It's so nice because it's like rounded, so it makes it look like an actual garbage truck. I didn't put any stickers on because I'm probably just going to demolish this when I'm done. But with this, it does go up and down. This goes up. What comes up must go down. See, whoops, that comes up. It stays there. This can come down too. Oops, if I can do this right. There we go. There. I like that. It's got a new piece. I don't know if you can. Okay, that'll work. Can you see that? Yeah. I don't know. Hold on. What comes up must go down. Alright. It's got one of these. It's one of the brand new pieces. It's really cool. I like it. It's basically like the hinge pieces. They're very old actually, but they're hinge pieces that are held together by a Technic piece, which are really cool. Okay. Snap it on there. Sorry. Alright, there we go. And then this here, there is a red window in there, just saying. By the way, you can't see the cockpit because if you look, it's not even fully enclosed. I guess that's just to aerate the smell and to attach the little side things. And then, knowing me, I'm famous for making every simplest thing really long, except Apple. I got the this is, I think it's supposed to have a sticker on it, I don't know. But the cool thing is that, hold on, I'm going to stick this lady here. I've completely forgot to go over the broom and the shovel. You know, the broom and the shovel are really not that different. Really, they're just a broom and a shovel. Alright. I don't know if you can see that, but we've got him in there. There's the broom and there's the shovel stand. Alright. The coolest feature I like about this is that, let me take the... Okay, I dropped it. Banana off the... There's the hood, by the way. You set it right here. There's a little stud right in the middle of that. And if you, there's a little wheel right there. You have to take it. The banana was supposed to go in there too. Then you got studs here, so I can get them. This is the smallest freaking set, and I'm turning it in basically into a 10-minute video. Wow, I suck. But there's that, then, see? But yeah, then you could just, you know. Put the lid on. Put the lid on that one. And then when it's done, you want to dump it. But don't. Don't drive away. Let's just drive away. See you Lego Crafters later. Oh yeah, Black Ops 2 for the win. Black Ops 2 for the win. And I'm gonna leave you off with a saying that my dad got me. Peace out, guys. Have fun. Talk to you later.